Alright guys, so check this out. I had somebody give this to me and so I could try it out on my videos, so here it is. So this is organic cricket superfuel. This is cricket powder basically. Yeah, ground up crickets for protein. So I am going to do a quick taste test to see how well it tastes. I've never eaten bugs, but here it is. Okay, let's look at the nutrient content. So there's protein of 6 grams per 1 scoop. So it's not actually really high in protein. So, because if you look at like things like hemp protein, things like that, they have like 15, 20 grams. So it's not that high. But the neat thing it does have B12. So, but it's only, if you look at it, it's 120 micrograms, which is like very little. So, calcium, iron, all those things are in there. But here's the ingredients. It's got cricket powder, organic guar gum, and stevia and monk fruit extract. So check this out. So it is dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here it is. We're going to do a quick taste test of the powder. There we go. Got a little bit on my fork. I'm going to try this again. It's very unique, so let's try this again. Okay, it's like, think of it like charred up cacao. It has a little bit like a chocolate taste to it. It's hard to describe. Try that again. Okay. Yeah, think of it like a something that's been almost like charred, but not charred. It's like smoked, but not really a smoke, but it's like a smoky sort of chocolate, sort of. It's just the aroma of chocolate, and when you taste it, it's powdery, but it's not gritty. So it's not like rice protein or anything like that. It's actually pretty unique. It tastes like chocolate. Sort of tastes like chocolate. That's pretty much how I can describe. Like a burnt chocolate, but it's not really burnt. More like a char or a blowtorched chocolate. That's basically what it tastes like, guys. Pretty different. Will I finish it off? Probably. It doesn't taste like anything. Like literally, you would never know. If you sprinkle this in your smoothies and things like that, you would never taste it. So yeah, pretty neat. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel. Would I buy it again? Probably not. But maybe if it was really cheap or something. But yeah, definitely check it out. It's not horrible. It doesn't have like a thick taste like hemp protein or anything like that. It doesn't have like a it's very mild. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.